Hey guys, it is George Florida Parks After Dark. We are here. We're our favorite place, Art of Animation. And we are at one of our favorite merchandise stores, the most unique, special place, the Ink and Paint Shop. It's past the lobby, before you get to the food, and it's awesome. It's really split into two kind of areas. So first, they have their own merchandise, and I love the fact that they have that smack, it hits you in the face walking in. Boom, Art of Animation. Great t-shirt. You got Nemo. This Loungefly is just straight Art of Animation Loungefly. Has all the drawings on the paper that are spread all over the Loungefly. A great sign there. And on the back, it just carries over the drawings. It's really, really an awesome thing. This is the pencil drawing of all the characters. And this is, we're seeing a lot of the all-inclusive character cups and t-shirts. This kind of intermixed here. A fantastic mug. We love coffee. That's a great mug. And it has Ariel, and it obviously has Ka-Chow from Cars, and Simba, and Nemo. They're all there, and they're kind of in various stages of drawing. You come around, and then they have, obviously, the Christmas decorations, and you keep coming all the way around. And then they have really just kind of a neat keychain, or actually luggage tag. Sorry, it's a luggage tag, Art of Animation. And the paint splashes are Mickey's. You got the Nemo, and then you do have your $34.99 beach towel, which has the exact same as the coffee mug, just they carry that through. Now, we are in the middle of the store, so they can carry through all the Art of Animation stuff that goes straight through here, and it continues on. One spirit jersey we love is that one. It's the same thing as the coffee mug, but it's in a spirit jersey. On this side, which is your left side, you have clothing. Now, I want to pause because you will miss this, as I did many years. The display cases along the wall are paint cans. There's paint jars. Above that are actual paint jars that, if you don't notice, you'll miss. So what they've done is they've taken the large paint jars and have it opened so that your stuff is inside. Really done well. On the floor, I love this stuff. On the floor, there's splashes of paint. Here, let me get you going. Where it looks like paint spilled on the carpet. I mean, this is 100% commitment to the theming. I love it. So let's get into it. So what they do have is they have a great monochromatic mini. It could be a Mickey Loungefly. It's awesome. You have the Mickey and Minnie t-shirts, girl shirts. Just have their cut. You have kind of your cross body with all the Fab Five. A great Mickey sweatshirt. We love this Mickey sweatshirt. And then we come through. Now what you'll see real quick is they have a lot of traditional stuff. There's a lot of mini stuff. And this is a hat you don't find many places. It's a princess hat. So you have all the princesses kind of in the fabric in silver. Then you have the crown. A great guys or girls visor. More of a golf visor. And what they really started doing is this. They brought out kind of more of a sporty, spandexy dress and shorts. Great sweatshirts and sweatpants. Now, I'll tell you right now, it's late April in Florida. You're not wearing any of this right now. Those days are over for the next 6 months. I hadn't seen this one. This is new. We've seen this Mickey before, and you've seen us talk about it, but the mini version, if you are here with your significant other, it'd be a cute matching set to get. Along the back wall, they have their Monsters Inc. Loungefly. Obviously it's that varsity jacket. Now this is a great hoodie and sweatband combination that then also has a t-shirt. So you literally get the t-shirt, the sweatpants, and the hoodie and match. They've gotten all the t-shirts, and really what they do, and you guys will miss this if you don't pay attention, they swap t-shirts out based on what's happening. And it takes a while to notice, it's not ever the same t-shirt. They have Magical Mom up there in the right-hand top row. They have the Awesome Dad. Mother's Day is coming, Father's Day is coming. They have a cheer one in the bottom to the left. There's cheerleading world championships going on right here, right now. Liberty is right next to it. 4th of July is coming. There's a 4th of July t-shirt. So Disney does a great job of changing out the t-shirts. So it's not tired to meet really what's going on in the parks or not. or just date-wise. Now, what I like about this place is it's not just all big bright colors. They have an adult version, the big hats, gotta love it. Almost Indiana Jones hat, but not. Bermuda shorts, golf shirts. But they still have the hats and they still have the ears. Here they have this pool wear, which we've seen and loved because it has the print in it of all the characters. Great. Now this pair of jersey, this is next level. So they got the fake pearls and the beading on it. It's pink and it's just very simple D in the front, and it's a lighter weight. That Spirit jersey is great because it has all the characters in it, and there's a version out there that has all the villains in it. Villain Land's coming out. More 4th of July. Now this whole series, huge fans. They did a whole series on the Skyliners. Now, many of you know what a Skyliner is here. It is the new transportation system for over on the other side near Hollywood Studios and Epcot. They're the monorail, so they do the Skyliner. So what they've done is they have t-shirts now, and they have Christmas ornaments of the Skyliners. We just put a video up on the channel, probably about 5 minutes of just watching the Skyliners at Hollywood. It's really kind of cool. Here they do carry the cooking stuff here, which you've seen kind of phase out in other places. And then they got what really is kind of a great thing. Yeah, Pooh, Winnie the Pooh is personal favorite. Living in Fantasyland. They got all the accent pillows and accent candles in case you bring that home. And then they do have the orange tropical wear right now. That shirt we've seen just over at Old Key West. Great ears. And then we come through, and then here they really just carry it over here a lot. Oh, wait, I want to turn around. Great photo with the oranges that are Mickey. See it? And then here they do have all the rest of the oranges and the fruit. It's kind of cool. It's fruit stand. So they have a Mickey Mini fruit stand. This bag, if I were to open it, which I can, we'll show you what it is. So that's Mickey Mini fruit stand, which is a lot of this carries over thematically to it. Let's not make work for our friends, cast members. Put that back. Great pillow we haven't seen anywhere else. They do have stuff we haven't seen. And then as we come back through, now we come around one side and come back to the middle. They still have the 2026 merch. And it's a good bit of it. Although we're halfway through almost. And now, this is literally this half of the store. It's all clothing. The other half is all toys. So let's dive in. So now you have your standard stuffies. It's Nemo's Stuffy Land right there. And then this, I just think, are the coolest thing. These are all mini stuffies. I gotta tell you, this by itself would be dangerous for me because I would buy so many of these. They have Squirt, they have Pooh, they have Bernie, they have Dumbo, they have Remy, they have Stitch, more than one Stitch, Goofy, Hey, you name it, it's all here. Love it. And then they got ducks, and this is new. Buzz Lightyear duck. Really, a Stitch duck for $5.99. Wow. Okay. We love rubber duck. Alien rubber duck. Olaf rubber duck. Wow. Okay. So you may be leaving with that. What they've done is each section has kind of one of the lands we talked about. So this is obviously Lion King. It has a Lion King mug with Simba's face on it. And then kind of come over here. It's still got the Lion King, but then if you go over here, you got Cars. So there's all your Cars merchandise specific. Then they do have your autographed books and all that. Back wall, they do cover just really a lot of the toys and puzzles and all that. Now it's not significant. There's other gift shops and merchandise shops that have really a larger toy selection, but they really make up for it in stuffies. This is a stuffy rich environment. They even got Marie, and they got all of them. And there's Stitch. If you want to see a big Stitch, boom, Stitch and Angel. This is probably the size of your kid. It's awesome. The Mickeys they have we love because they did do a couple different kinds of Mickey. Traditional Mickey, Steamboat Willie Mickey, Fantasia Mickey, all in there. They have Minnie, they have Princess Minnie, they have Pink Minnie versus the Red Minnie. It's just, and then the snacks come around here. And Disney has their own snack line, which is awesome. So this And then there's just more toys. There's the sprayers and the bubblers and all that. And there is the thing with the lollipops. I will tell you, my kids, we had to get a lollipop after every ride. When we did the poo ride at Magic, we had to stop and get a pack of 3, take 3 licks, put it in a bag, and at the end of it, it was our ritual. So we did that. I'd recommend it. It was awesome. So this is their store. It is subtle in some ways. It's in your face in other ways. It's big. It has a lot to offer, and it's a lot there, and it's really, really very neat space. So I would say, honestly, one of the big draws of this resort, besides the resort itself, which is mind-boggling, is a great merchandise store. So, the George Florida Parks After Dark. Do me a favor, like and subscribe, and we will talk to you guys later.